Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a collective haul of goodies that I've been finding deals on last call dies and stamps, which are going to retire. And I also have a deal that I got from Scrapbooking Made Simple, which is usually on their Monday event deals. But yeah, let's go ahead and see all the goodies I got. Okay, so the first one I am sharing is from Elizabeth Craft Design. They had a sale for, I believe it's retiring dies and stamps, or she had a sale recently. So this is what I went ahead and got on her sale, and some of the prices seem to be like, I think up to, someone was 50%. Could have been up to 80, but I'm not too sure. I don't remember now. But yeah, so the first thing I got was this Planner Essential Sidekick dies. And it shows how it looks like here. And if you know Elizabeth Craft Design, she does do a lot of journal type dies, which I really, really love. So I got that one. The next one I have here is another Sidekick one, and it's Sidekick Essential number 8. This one was number 18, so this is number 8. It is a really good size, and it does a little pocket type on your little journal. That'll be really, really nice to have. And then I do have another one, which is Sidekick Essential number 21. Look at that one. And this is what that one looks like. Love that. I love those dice. Those are real nice dice. And then I do have some sentiment dies. And this one, I think it's called Celebrate. Yeah, this one's Celebrate, and this one is Have the Best Day Today. Celebrate, today is the day. And it does have Happy, and it does have some little extras. Got that one. Another word die I have here. This one says House. This one's Deck the Halls, Christmas Wishes. Yeah, it does have house there. It's a Christmas time, to yours, from ours. So yeah, this is a sentiment die, mainly Christmas. I got that one. And this was a Noel, another Christmas one. The sentiments are pretty big. And it says Noel, Silent Night, Festive, Season, Christmas. And it does have little extras on there. That one. And I got another Christmas one, which is Let It Snow, Winter Wishes, Ho Ho Ho, Have a Magical Christmas. I love that. Love that. And I do love that there are big, big sizes. So I have a hot chocolate, season, warm hugs, Merry Christmas. You guys wishes, Merry. It does have like little cocoa and gloves. Thought that was super cute. And here's another one, another Christmas one. Oh Holy Night, Joy, Season's Greetings, Peace. This one's called Peace. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay, now these are flower dies, but I was able to get the coordinating die with it. So this one's called Blossom. So that's how, yeah, that's how that looks when you ink it up. So there's the stamp and the coordinating die. They do not come together, so I went ahead and bought both of them. Another one here is called, this one's called Kindness. So the same thing. This is a flower die and this is the coordinating die. So of course I had to get both. And these were actually a pretty good deal. I don't know if the paper tells me the price. No. And then the other flower die I have is called Hope. This is also a coordinating die. How cute. That is super, super pretty. I love flowers. Love, love, love. Now I do have another order because I did go back and get some more flowers that I didn't get the first time. Here is a snowflake. And this is just a regular snowflake doily. I got that. Thought that'd be really cute to use. And then here goes some of the flowers I did get on this round. This is Florals number 23. Look at that. How pretty is that? And it does give you a little centerpiece. So you can ink dye or do whatever you want to do with those. And then I do have floral number 20. Look at that. This is how that looks. Love, love, love. And then this is floor number 14. Hey, these are so pretty. And then here goes those. And I do love that they come with little centers. And then floor number 12, which is a Christmas one. Look at that. Love it. And then floral number 7. That one. This was an awesome sale. I was surprised. I got that. And then I did get a few more from there. I did get this journal phrases, which I thought would come in handy for regular sentiments. And I also have this one, which is Christmas vibes. Let it snow. Very merry and a story. You got the hashtag, that one. And these are just stamps. They don't have coordinating dice, so I'll fussy cut. And then here goes another one. Piece of Life 4. Look at that. Some more sentiments. Handle with care. Hooray is today. Oh la la, this is for you. Love it. And then I did get some numbers. So cute. Love that. And I got another one. The anniversary, and it also has numbers. Love, love, love. So yeah, that is. So that's what I got from. So this is what I got from Elizabeth Craft Design. I should have another order coming in because I did go back and get some more flowers before the sale was up. But yeah, let me know in the comments what is your favorite. All of these are really good quality. I love it all. They come in handy in my stash. So yeah, make sure you leave a comment. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.